Hi, thanks for joining me. Today, the topic is what is the role of a personal injury lawyer in your case? And the reason why this subject came up for me now is because I recently had a phone call with an individual that's currently represented by a law firm, and they had some concerns. So I spent some time with this gentleman and learned that he didn't know who his lawyer was. Although he had a law firm, he had never actually spoke to a lawyer and had no idea who his lawyer was. And I was surprised to hear this. So I want to talk to you a little bit about our approach and the role of a personal injury lawyer at our law firm. So first off, I'll say this: anytime a new client comes to our firm, an initial consultation will be set up either in person, by video, or by phone with one of our personal injury lawyers, either myself or another lawyer with our law firm. And those initial meetings for us are very, very important. It's our opportunity to spend as much time as needed to really understand the individual's circumstances, their life, their accident, injuries, and the harms and losses that they've sustained so far. And that's really important for us because it gives us the information needed to plan, to make the important decisions at the outset in terms of what's the best course of action for this individual. And at the beginning, oftentimes, the course of action really isn't about the claim. It's not about filing the lawsuit or trying to get the money. It's really about trying to get what that person needs at that point in time. And that could be healthcare, home support, housekeeping services, medical attention, income replacement benefits, assistance with modifications at work, etc. So it's really going to be tailored to the individual needs. And so we'll take as much time, as I said, as needed for the initial consultation. We allow the prospective clients to ask all of the questions, as many questions as they want, so that they're satisfied, that the lawyer understands them, that they understand the process, and that they're making the right decision if they decide to go forward with our firm. And at the outset, there is, of course, no obligation on the part of the prospective client, and we're going to spend just as much time with you whether you hire us or not, because we treat every new consultation the same. We treat you as if you're going to be a client, and we try to find out as much information as possible. So this takes me to the point of why is it so important to have that initial meeting with a lawyer, and what really is the role of the lawyer. Because of course law firms, ours included, that do this kind of work, of course we have teams, and everyone on that team plays an important role in the ultimate outcome of the case. But the lawyer really has to be informed at all stages, because at least in our practice, the lawyer really is the one that's helping to make the decisions and look at the bigger picture on how all of these valuable team members contribute to the same outcome, and that is an outcome geared toward the client. And so the client and the lawyer have to be on the same page. The lawyer has to really spend the time to get to know and understand the client's circumstances and particular needs, so that that lawyer can help guide the process with all of the other team members. So of course I was surprised when someone with what I consider significant injuries called our firm and told me they had retained another law firm in Toronto, but had no idea who the lawyer was, had never talked to a lawyer, had never met with a lawyer, and really didn't know what was going on with his case. If you have questions with your current lawyer and you're not getting the attention and you just don't know what's going on, feel free to reach out to that lawyer. Call them. That's what they're there for. They're there to represent you. Okay? So call your lawyer, call the law firm, request a meeting with the lawyer, get a status update, share your current circumstances, update the lawyer. In my view and experience, that's the best way for you to have a good outcome. And I encourage our clients to do the same. I'm not always on the phone with our clients. We get busy in our day-to-day. We're working up the case. There are certain times in the case or circumstances that come up that necessitate more in-depth meetings or preparation with clients. But of course, all of our clients are welcome to reach out to us at any time if they want an update, if they want to share information about themselves and their current circumstance. And really, I encourage it. So if any of my clients are watching this video, if you have an update, new medication, new doctor, symptoms getting better, symptoms getting worse, symptoms staying the same, and it's been months or maybe more than months since we've talked, of course, feel free to reach out to us and we'll set up a time and we'll get an update from you and also share with you the current status of your case. Okay, so we know these cases can take a long time. So during that period of time, it's important to stay connected with your lawyer. You know, it doesn't have to be every week, but it should be on some regular basis. If you've got questions, feel free to reach out to us. Consultations are free. We answer our phones 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So call us anytime at 1-866-234-6093. Jacobelli Law Firm represents clients across the province of Ontario. And we welcome your calls and we're looking forward to speaking to you. Thank you.